Mm?
Like, what do you like to do?
I like to do doctors and police.
No, I'm saying like now, like at home. What do you like to do?
I like to play. I like to pretend to be a mom.
Okay. What do you like to pretend to be a mom? And speak loud.
Because I want someone to be a baby or the sister, the brother,
Okay.
or a dad.
Okay, nice. So, what's your favorite food?
Broccoli
Mm-hmm.
and carrots, cheese,
Mm-hmm.
food.
That's it? Do you like rice?
Mm-hmm. Well,
Tell me the food that you don't like.
I don't like
Loud.
cheese balls.
You don't like what?
I don't like cheese balls. I don't like Nutella.
You were just eating it. You don't like matata? Then why you be eating it?
Because I was trying to taste if it's bad or good.
You've been eating it for so long. Are you still trying to test if it's good or bad?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Well, now I don't want it.
What else you don't like?
I like waters. Well, I like cleaning.
Do you like fish?
No,
Why?
because I will choke or I would throw up.
You do what?
I would throw up.
Stop putting that in your lips. What is it?
I would throw up.
You went where?
I would throw up.
Oh, you throw up? Okay. So, let me ask you something. Me and Oliva, who do you like more?
You.
Why?
Because you said that you love my hair.
Did Oliva say she loves your hair?
And Oliva.
No, you say you like me more because I said I like your hair. Oliva did say she like your hair? Did she say?
Yeah, I said that you like my hair.
So you like me more than Oliva?
I like both of you more.
No, pick one.
I like you more.
Me? So you don't like your mom more?
I do.
Oh, okay. What about me and Ariante?
Ariante.
What? Who do you like me and Ariante? You like Ariante. So you don't like me, you like Ariante. Alright. Hi, Vanessa.
Hi,
Oh, never mind. What's your name?
Vanessa.
What? What's the last name?
Pretty.
You know you got 3 names. Well, the last one is Dekezi. Say it.
Itakezi.
Dekezi.
Dakezi.
Do you like it? Okay. What do you wanna be when you grow up?
Police.
Like, tell me like 2 things that you think you're gonna be. If one don't work, you gonna be a police?
Mm-hmm.
And what?
And a doctor.
Why you wanna be a doctor?
Because if they got hurt, I do everything by myself, but I don't need help.
Okay. So why you wanna be a police officer?
A police officer?
Yeah.
Because that's my favorite.
Why is it your favorite?
Because when they punch, kick, everything, I take it to jail.
Okay. Do you know anybody that punch people?
Yeah,
Who?
Patrick.
Yeah, who?